I'm live too.
Also,
I might
can
need a
you,
sneeze, but I'm not sure. Can I what?
Can you join the stream together?
Oh yeah, I had Twitch pulled up to do that, then I forgot.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll build my work on my magic deck on stream.
Lame.
I finished the deck.
Here,
it just like sucks.
Yeah, true. So I played around with something that may or may not be good, may or may not be bad. So do you remember the debug camera that you were like, this thing fucking sucks?
Yeah, it kind of does.
Yes, I made it so you can actually like pan it around now.
Ooh.
And zoom and do whatever. Just fun and cool.
What's
it looks
the
very weird
controls
because
for
it's parallax.
panning?
What do you think it is?
I don't know, like middle mouse.
Nah, it's just left click.
But like, what if you want to hit things and move your mouse around?
Then you can lock it.
How do you lock
I'll probably
it?
put like an I'll put like an overlay of controls on screen. Hi, Callie.
I think like a middle click or something might be better. So that way,
for
like,
panning?
yeah, so that way you can still do all the other so like you can do any input and move the camera at the same time. So you don't have to like move the camera, lock it, do other inputs.
Okay.
I forgot that was on a clip card. I don't even know if we need that as a like thing you can do. I'm not gonna lie.
We hella do. I personally like it a lot.
I don't know.
I don't know why, but I do.
Well, you're weird. So.
Just having the option is nice. But yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
But yeah, and then I can lock it so I can actually like use my middle mouse. And that's also a thing. Don't worry about that though. That's a weird thing that I have set up for debug. Why the fuck is it spawning a platform? Is it because I have this set up to...
This is what you get for adding so many debug options. Push a random button and it spawns a platform.
Yeah, there we go. Yeah, my bad, dog. Another thing I was playing around with, so if I set the viewport scaling to true, and then if I change the resolution, so it like makes the whole thing like weird and shit, and that's fine, obviously. But if I open up this menu, oh, just kidding. Oh, because I have the fix on my side, duh. Before we do something weird, so I just made this work a little bit better.
Okay.
I was also playing around with the ability to lower the quality of the what is it? Binder page.gd scale. Yeah. So I was playing around with the ability to lower the resolution of this. So you can actually see that it's a little bit crunchier. I don't know if you can see it particularly well.
I don't.
That's mainly for like performance concerns because pages
I don't know.
Hurt a little bit to render sometimes.
Yeah, but then you can't read it.
You can read this.
Like, no, look at the text on the right though.
Well, that's I don't know. That's
you like kind of
full
need to be
quick.
able to read it.
Yeah, well, I don't know, skill issue or whatever.
I don't think it's really that necessary.
Yeah, probably not, but
because like if
either
you
way.
can't run the menu, then the game is going to be like awful. What? Also, the text, like the yeah, it looks fine now. Maybe it's just your stream, but the big text looks a little funky. But I think it's just your stream.
might be just stream.
What is your quality at? Does it say?
I think this is back to regular quality actually, which is weird. This is. Oh, it's because my viewport
there we go.
resolution is set to lower.
Yo, what's up,
I think.
cats? We are both cats. That is true.
There we
Meow.
Okay, so here's so the thing that was happening.
The song's kind of going crazy.
Let me make sure. Oh no, that's still that's a little fucked up still here, a little here and there. Yeah, no, whatever.
There's also some
Who cares?
adjustments I want to make to that screen, like the text on the right having an outline, things like that. Maybe I might just like make a list of things that I want to be changed on there and have you do it. So you know where everything is. I have no clue where any of that stuff is.
Evil.
Or I can
Evil.
find it. Do you guys update Godot or just keep the same version in development? Yes, we do. We just update.
We update Godot the day it comes out.
Yeah, what he said.
Usually
About it,
when one of the RC comes out, whenever they do their first release candidate, I'll usually download it and open the project with it on like a separate folder just to see if there's any compatibility issues. But like the day that the update came out, I just opened the project, made sure everything worked. It worked fine, and so we were just like, okay, cool. It's actually like Godot update days are like amazing because it's like a bunch of like cool surprises. And there's very few like, oh no, things are breaking. So let me make sure that this
Oopsies, I sent the wrong link. No, I'm gonna get killed.
Oh no.
Oh, oops, I think I just messed up the stream. Hold up.
I know that checks out.
Yeah, we're good. I didn't mess it up. I just like I clicked on a window that was over top of your stream, so it blocked it for a second, so you couldn't see. I'm such an evil little guy. There we go.
Oh yeah, I need to fix that tool tip thing.
Yeah.
Oh, that's also... I haven't noticed that, but that's very interesting that this says damage 0 times physical.
Yeah, they all say that. I'm pretty sure.
Have you fixed that on your side?
No, I haven't. I need to go through and fix some of that stuff. I think that's because originally we were using the damage for the tags. Actually, I think we still are. Are we? I don't remember if it's the damage or the type that determines the little tag thing on the side. But I think it was because yes.
Yeah.
It was because the damage is what determined that, and I wanted to have those show up, so I set the damage to be like 0.
I see,
and that's why those show up. I'll have to figure that out. Let me just take a look at the menu and see like what I want to have there, because it also, I don't like the... Did you search find scripts that way? It's Control P, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's
Control
like
P lets you open it specifically resources. So anything like scenes, even like PNGs, you can open and view. It's any resource, which is really nice.
Yeah, so basically like anything in your files.
Yeah, it's very, very nice.
Yeah.
It's like how we navigate our entire project.
So you're looking at this, the one I don't like the damage down here. I get why you did it because of the tooltips.
Yeah, that was a debug thing, I think, or it was like a proof of concept thing.
Yeah,
which I'm removing.
Which we already
okay. Get rid of it.
Cool. I do kind of like it on the tooltips when it drops a card, or maybe we can figure out a better way to disable it. Relic drop or card drop? Is that what it's called? Card drop. Can you open this up? Ooh, wow, it's a mile away.
Yeah, that's something I'm gonna try to knock out today as well.
But this I like. I kind of like how maybe we might want to revisit how we display the, because we have like how it shows it on here, and then also how we show it in the menu, and I feel like they should be more similar.
Probably. I don't know how we would want to do that. Yeah, so here we go. So this has this tooltip thing. I don't know if you want to get rid of it permanently, but I made it so that if it doesn't actually have like a scaling, then it doesn't show it there. But if it does have a scaling, it does. I don't know if you just want to get rid of it completely or not.
I'm trying to think. There's.
They're both easy to do, so it's kind of just like whichever one you feel like.
Yeah, I'm thinking. My thought is, I think we should have like a basic tooltip that shows like simplified information about the card, and then maybe have some kind of bind that like when you're hovering, like maybe Alt or something like that, that it pops up like a advanced tooltip thing that's like a multi panel thing that has like all the information that would be in here, like the crit chance, all the fancy stuff.
So do you think that like by default it should just be like bubble gun, shoots bubbles that apply wet, and then nothing else, and then if you hold
maybe.
Alt, it shows the rest.
I'm trying to think.
We
I'm trying to
could,
think what other games
I guess
played.
one thing that we could do is for the tooltip, whenever you're not holding Alt, we could collapse it down. Let me give myself some more space so I can kind of draw something a little bit. So it could be kind of a box like this where it has like the name. Pretend that says name, and then the description. And then along the bottom, it could be like 0.1x, and then like the lightning icon, or like 10% lightning or whatever, with just the icon. And then if you want to see like what the actual scaling is. Sorry, I'm trying to draw this around my cat because she's currently in my lap. So it could be like, instead of like the full thing, like showing this is the damage, it could just show like either the lightning, or it could have the types along somewhere. Let me real quick, I'm just gonna fucking throw this together. It's not difficult to do, surely.
Yeah, because I don't think how it's displayed currently in the tooltip is bad. I just don't really like how it's like, it's very just like plain text, which I feel like one is a little bit hard to read, and two is
yeah, we definitely want
doesn't look
icons
the greatest.
as much as we can, because then it makes it easier to localize. So something like this by default. Hold up, actually, let me the box correct. Let me get rid of this so it's not. There we go. Something like that by default, and then if you're holding Alt when you go over it, it's like that. Or like when obviously we want it so that if you press Alt while you're hovering it, it like expands it. But
yeah, I think obviously I think we would want more information on there, like fire rate, things like that.
Yeah. Hi, Callie. Hi, baby. Do the guns currently show their fire rate?
No, they don't. That's one thing I just realized that we really need.
Yeah, I'm gonna
and
add
that
the list actually.
Everything should probably have. We should probably also include if it's like full auto or like single shot, or just like anything.
Not for anything, but yeah.
Any equipment, yes.
Yeah. You have the Godokon thing. Can you add that to the Godokon list of things that need to be added to the UI?
Yeah.
Because it's on the other branch, so I can't do it
okay.
currently.
So
that would be like
say
fire rate or like base stats of
tooltips, card tooltips, fire rate on equipment, one thing that I'm thinking. This is like more complicated, so I don't know if we would want to do this just in time for Godokon, but one thing I really like is the ability to hover over like just in any game of like any stat that's like damage or status effect or crit chance, things like that, to hover over it and have like more information on it.
Yeah.
Like I really hate when I hover over something and it doesn't tell me more about it. So like
we can do that.
On the tooltips, like when you press Alt, it like pins it so you can move your mouse around, and then you can hover over the individual elements on it to like see what they do.
Yeah, we can do that.
So like by default it's really simple. I might have some sort of description as I don't know exactly what I would want it to be, but some sort of thing that shows either damage or like what it does, or
yeah, like this could have like easily some icons that are like, if we wanted to include the actual number here, we could say like 10% and then like the fire icon.
Yeah.
Or we could just have like just the fire icon that shows the scaling. And then we could have like, since this is an automatic weapon, I don't know why to say it like that. We could do like the icon that's like this, where it's like a couple of triangles that come out of the thing, and then it's like a long loop.
It's a little confusing, but yeah, I get what you're saying. The main thing is I don't want it to be just straight up damage, because that's very misleading, because a lot of them have like different speeds and like ways of shooting. So just showing the damage is like, if you just pick which one has higher damage, you're not always going to pick the best option.
Yeah.
So that's something I had to think about. I might mess around playing some other games and see what other games do, because I don't think I've looked at that very closely.
One that I can say is that Terraria does like the damage for each hit, and then it'll say like very slow speed or like high knockback. So it's not like exact numbers, but you kind of get the vibe of like this does 20 damage, but it has very fast attack speed. This thing does like 50 damage, but has very slow speed. You can kind of guess which ones have higher DPS, which is
maybe we could have
the
that in like a
second one.
simple thing, and then it'll give you like all the numbers and stuff. And
yeah, I
like,
definitely like when games give you all the numbers.
yes,
that shit's
very much.
like the play.
That's why I like Warframe.
All right, buddy. That's enough out of you. Whoa, this gets the description 4 times? You gotta be shitting me, dude. This gets the description 4 fucking times when I hover it. Lol. Hello, Maru Marie. We have been working on the game. JW's been working on the game for 2 years or so, a little bit more. And I've been working on it for about a year. He is the artist and original maker of it, and then he was like, damn, this programming shit kind of got hands, and so I'm the programmer on it now.
Yeah.
So why is this getting the... So this is... Callie, get down. Get down. She's getting really, really upset at the fact that I'm speaking again. Again, I don't blame her, but... Yeah. So this is getting the description 4 fucking times, dude. I'm gonna lose my shit. That is a me issue.
I'd also like the same like hover thing like on these ones. Like the stats here. I want to hover over
What would
this.
you want those to hover look like? Like, what would you want the...
I mean, probably just the regular tooltip where it just like pops up and says something about it.
Yeah, but what would it say? I'm just curious.
I mean, these critical chance and critical damage. I'm not 100% sure what I would want those to say, but like some of the other ones, I definitely know I would want. Same with like these damages, like so it'd say like, oh, this is your physical damage. Items that scale with physical damage do whatever, or something like that. Same with like, I guess this number down here is fine. Also these numbers should be the same color as the bar. I can probably easily change that somewhere. I'll figure it out.
Probably.
How hard would it be to change the color of these texts and give them an outline? Is that going to be like painful, or is that something I can do?
No, it should be pretty simple now, hopefully.
All right, let's see. I have no clue what those are called. I forget. Binder.
Yeah, sorry, gang. I am currently trying to get a bunch of... Okay, here we go. What was the card stat label or deck stat label or something like that? It's something stat label of some type.
Card stat box?
Probably.
Yeah, I think that's it.
Oh, cool. How did you find each other? Or did he hire you? So he was trying to learn some programming stuff, and I make tutorials on YouTube. And he, along with a bunch of people, just joined my Discord. And after a while of hanging out in VC, I was like, this game's kind of cool. And then he was like, help, I don't know how to program. And I was like, dude, I do.
Yeah, so just join his Discord and like beg him to work on your game, and he'll like do it for free.
That's true. That's not true.
I'm just kidding.
That's true. Okay, so the problem is that description card has an on-mouse innard, but it's also got the on focus or on hover entered from the focus item. So I can probably just get rid of the description card.
Okay, how do I outline material, right? Isn't there material? Is there material for it?
Is it it's not a smart label, is it? No. Is it a rich text label?
Yeah.
You could probably just change it to smart label.
Let's change it to smart label.
I'd imagine so, and then it should have the options up top.
Ew. Oh.
It has to be a font that has the MSDF thing enabled.
And this one isn't one of them? I thought it was.
I guess
Text label, title label, no. Number label, no. Regular label.
Try stat label. And then disable and re-enable the outline thing.
There we go.
Yeah,
That's not. I guess that works. Yeah, sure.
What are you trying to do with it?
I don't know. But
You can change the color of it if you want as well.
the outline size isn't working.
It is. That actually that makes sense. Where the fuck is where's the material? Why is the material not there in Smart Label? It's not that material. That one doesn't control the outline. Why
What's going on?
is that not? Hold on. Oh, it's under the padding group. I fucked up and it accidentally grouped them there. If you open up that material, that is the outline material. I'm surprised that the outline size isn't doing anything.
Well, it does here, so.
Weird.
Does it only let me go up to 3? Oh, I guess, yeah, I guess 2 is maybe what I want.
And you may need to fuck around with the padding in the Smart Label options.
Yeah, I don't know what the right option is here, but I'll mess around with it and figure out padding. Yeah, I see. Oh, does this have to be like negative?
Hello, Mr. Gamersby. How's it going? You already like pre-moved that, so.
What? Oh, is it because this is like too small or something? Why is the padding like not?
Yeah, it's because the outline doesn't render outside of its like box
Yeah, I
thing,
know it needs that. Why it
so-
needs the padding, but like I don't know, the padding's being weird. There we go. I guess that works.
Yeah, I don't remember. I'll be real with you. It's been a minute since I've
Oh,
worked on it.
well, I'll just put the hope for the best, I guess.
Yeah. All right, let me look at my
I guess I
call
could look
stack
at
really
where
quickly.
you have the other font and just copy the setting there.
Yeah, if you want to use the other font, you just have to go in and enable MSDF rendering.
Okay.
Which hopefully shouldn't be that bad.
I'll try this one, but if it looks terrible, I'll change it.
Centered. I can probably kill these two, I think.
Overrides colors, default color. Watches.
Okay, so this is still calling multiple times. It's from... Let me bring on the console. Ah, kind wait. So... It's getting on hover enter twice? Oh no, it's connected to two signals, I think. Right, is that what's happening? On card hovered 141. Take a look at that really quickly. Card option. GP. Card visual hover entered, hover exited. That's not what I want. I think it's focus centered and focus exited. Perhaps. Yes, we do have a Steam page. JW, does exclamation mark game work in my chat? It sure fucking does. Oh my god.
Why
That's so
are you asking
surprising.
me? You're the one that set it up in your chats.
I don't know, man. Because, like, I feel like you would know because you would be bitching about it. You'd be like, fuck you, evil.
What did I do?
I don't know, be evil. Mine's
Yeah, I'm a little
on.
evil.
What buttons do I have? Bind. Scene bindings, JKO, semicolon. I have L open, I guess. Bind spawn L. Card drop. Got T-skin.
T-skin.
There we go. Also,
Let's
it's going
see
well
if
with
that
me.
works.
It's
I love how
going-
much
it's going
red
great.
text there is in that, but
Yeah, it did
it does
that
that.
shit.
It's fine.
Okay, so there is still set card tooltip line 19. Set card tooltip. I don't know why the fuck I'm searching for that as if that's a function. Set cool? What's the fucking card util?
Uh-oh.
Util.
Oh. It resets the exports if you restart or if you change their type. Why are you using moobot? What the heck is moobot?
I don't know, man. Oh, dude, I am totally calling this multiple times. Lol. What is this? Does anyone want to explain this null check to me and why I'm doing this? This is so weird. I have this thing where I'm grabbing the name or the title and the description of the card, and then I'm doing a null check for the card afterwards. What the fuck is wrong with me? I don't even think this needs to be here. Like,
Oh, that
this,
looks
right?
interesting.
Oh, that looks wrong as fuck. Because I think the word is meant to use there.
Yeah, I guess we didn't test using icons with this font, did we? Because isn't that technically part of the text?
Oh, you're right. It is part of the text. Fuck. It's part of the text. Oh shit, it's part of the text. No.
Also, the outline size is wrong or something. I'm sorry.
You're so right about the outline thing. Oh, that's unfortunate. You're currently modeling something for a thumbnail. I'm assuming you're talking about something 3D and not like you're like posing for like a picture or whatever. Oh, cool. My keyboard stopped working. Maybe that's what keeps going fucking on Windows. Is like my keyboard. It totally could be. I could see that being the case. I'm gonna. How about this? Excuse me. Oh my lord. I'm gonna add a to-do note here, which is don't get description hella times. I don't feel like fixing that right now, but set card tooltip info. How do I want to do this? Set card tooltip. This is being called where in a few different places, and that's unfortunate. Actually, that's not that unfortunate because that means we have a single place that I need to edit this, which means I can make a card tooltip info if I wanted to. Oh, I totally could. Ah, I totally could. Wait a minute.
I don't know what bro's cooking up over there, but I'm scared.
Hold on. I'm cooking just a little bit. Not that much, but just a little bit. So I could actually move this out of here, perhaps. Oh god, that's so much code. Oh lord. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, I could do something crazy, I think, potentially. Tooltip info, this gets used elsewhere. Could I include like a... Oh no, hold on.
Okay, that doesn't look terrible up here. I don't know if I like it or not, but maybe. Made the inner color look a little bit, can I change both these at once? Probably can. Another thing that we should probably keep in mind when we're doing all this font stuff is, when we want to add accessibility font back. I don't know.
Ideally, that shouldn't be an issue.
Okay.
I think. Well, I guess I don't 100% know. Well, accessible font is something that we can probably test right now.
It 100% does not work right now.
Are you sure?
I am 100% certain. It works in here barely, but it doesn't do anything like in here.
Oh yeah, yeah.
And it doesn't. Oh, it doesn't like the tooltips too, but it's absolutely massive.
It is, yeah.
Also, you can't turn it off.
What do you mean you can't turn it off?
It doesn't do anything.
Oh, that's kind of cool. The fuck?
Yeah.
That's kind of sick. Oh, you wanted accessibility, bitch? Now you're permanent.
Yeah.
Fuck it. I've declared it.
Is this font size the same as there? Yeah.
All right. What we might be able to do for... I'm trying to think of how we want to do accessibility font, because we could probably have something where it's just like... We can do theme inheritance, right? Or we can just like change the font. I'm not sure actually. Not too sure. What am I doing? What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was fucking around with tooltips. That's what I was doing. Does this break? It doesn't. Okay, cool. So if I were to do something like tooltip.gd, are you the one that has physics process? No. Tooltip box is the one that has this. Do you have a tooltip info? Nope. Tooltip.gd info.
Curious how you managed to put the trailer together. Do you have any video experience or something like that? I made the trailer, and no, I have no clue what I'm doing. And it kind of sucks, but I need to make a better one. I'm trying to figure out what the heck is going on with this icon here and why it looks like that. Because it is quite
I can tell you what's going on if you want.
What's going on?
The outline shader is running expecting it to be a font, so it queries the SDF. And that icon is not it's not a text glyph.
Cool.
So it's just completely broken because that thing doesn't have MSDF enabled.
I see. We're currently at trailer
Which is something
stage.
that I'm not sure about. I'll have to think about it.
Currently at trailer stage to put together the best trailer. Going to buy Steam capsule art, etc. Yeah, Steam capsule art is really important to get something really good. We got an artist to do ours because I am good at art, but not that good.
You got an artist to do ours.
Yeah, true. I did.
Yeah, it does look really good. They did a really good job on it.
And yeah, trailer. There's a lot of good YouTube tutorials on just like how to make a good trailer. It's basically what I do. It's just Google. At Grok, how do I make a good trailer? Just kidding. Don't do that. Don't do that. I'm joking.
Don't use AI. That's the worst thing you could do is do not use AI for your game because don't make something that you're really proud of and then slap a pile of shit on the end product.
True. So would there be a way to like check the icon to see if it's like a font or not, or does it just like see all of it the same?
I don't know immediately the answer to that, unfortunately,
because
I'm thinking
like
about it a
each
little bit.
Individual like character a separate like rendering thing. I don't know what I don't know how shaders work. Isn't it like separate? Like it doesn't render all the text at once, right? It does it like per character.
It does, yeah.
Okay, never mind.
Or well, it does kind of. It does some things. There may be something that I can pull from the shader. I don't know what Ditto gives it.
Yeah.
Because sometimes
I also don't know why it's so far to the left, but
yeah, some shaders and some other things, it's because you changed the padding, I think. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't fucking know.
No, because they should all be the same because the padding is the same on all of them. But
Yeah. The oh, what the hell am I trying to say? Certain shaders will have custom information passed in on like the vertex pass, and so you can read from that to see whether or not you should treat it as certain things. That may be a thing that Godot gives me access to in the shader. I don't know though, because it would be really cool if they were like, "Yo, this is a glyph," or "This is just a regular ass PNG."
Mm-hmm.
So I'll have to look at that, but I don't know off the top of my head.
Okay.
Unless, which like one thing we could do is just like put the image there instead of in the text, because currently it's just embedding it in the text label.
Yeah.
But trying to figure out where it should be relative to where we want it in the text sounds like terrible. But I'll have to figure that one out at some point.
I do like how we have the icons currently where you can just like put it in the text, but if that doesn't work, yeah, we can find a different option.
What the fuck? Oh,
so wait, how are we doing it here? Here it's just a texture rect, right? It's not. Yeah, it's not one of the like in text.
All right, what are we talking about?
The like icons, the big icons here. These are just texture
yeah, they are
rects,
just the texture rect, which we could do that with the other one as well. That's not like the worst idea ever.
It's just more, well, it's more annoying because these ones are like always going to be the same. This, it's like it has to be a dynamic. So you have to be like,
I mean,
oh, if there's
still be dynamic, it's not a huge deal.
Yeah, it's just like annoying. Arr. Sorry.
Steam store page is not working for you? What? The one that I sent in my Twitch chat, or the one that did you like open it up somewhere? Or, like, what's going on? Where the hell did that go? I clicked on the thing. Where the hell did? Oh, it opened up a new window over here. This feels weird. It's like an OBS window, but you can see it's like just the generic X11 fucking icon. Bizarre. Very, very bizarre. So if I have PR oh. Oh, that's kind of cool. Yo, I just learned something. Can you look at my screen?
Yeah.
Something went wrong at some point. Are you looking?
Yeah.
Surprise. It was hiding behind the level.
What?
It's hiding behind the level.
What?
I don't know.
That's definitely not right.
Well, what? Yeah, that's definitely not right. Yeah, I don't know what the fuck is going on here. I don't...
What did you do?
There's a shader on this, apparently, it looks like.
Did you put bubble shader on the items?
It looks like it does. I don't know why. Why does it have a bubble shader on it? That's kind of cool, but it's weird. Does it work if the camera's zoomed in, I wonder? It does still sample the correct SDF. That's crazy.
That's really funny.
That's so surprising. What the fuck? Yeah, that like jump scared me a little bit. Okay, so it looks like this is not doing anything. Console.print. Yeah, this is definitely... I guess this should be unhandled key input, right? Perhaps. Key event. Oh, I guess I could do... We don't have like a binding for this, do we? I should be using these way more. Show... info. Sure. No. Advanced. You? I like that one a little bit better. I don't know why. But so what I can do is I can see if key event dot is action rest show your advanced view. This will actually error if I save the file right now. It'll be not an input event. Wow.
Wait, does this just work?
Alright, let me reload the game. Does what work? What happened?
I don't know.
Did you do something cool? Her. Dude, your chat thing really loves translating.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's not working. Did I add an input? I don't think I did. I think I just added it as a fucking thing, and I don't think I didn't give it a fucking input. I'm so dumb. Let me take a look. Relic display.
Oh.
What the fuck? Where the fuck are you? Why do you have bubble shader? What's up? Oh, what the hell happened? What'd you do?
All I did was change the color.
What did you? What? No, you did something else. What else did you
that's
do?
all I did.
Why is it wide mode?
That's all I did is I made it colorize the string. Now it's wide.
What the fuck did you do?
Also, these are the
Oh
wrong
my
colors.
lord. Can you... What? Wait, what? Go back to the code. Here's what he's...
This is all I did is I made it colorize the string that it would normally be. That's...
Was it just by default?
Yes,
setting
this was it by default. I was setting it to this. So now I
Okay.
just wrapped that in a colorized string,
Yeah.
and now it's like
Move it back to what it was before. Like, just like either control Z it back or like just paste it back in, or like do whatever the fuck you need to like. And if you like close and reopen the thing, like just save. Don't restart the game. Do not restart the game. Just close and reopen the binder.
how does that work?
Yeah, it's on visibility changed. Lol. Oh, you know what's probably? I know exactly what's happening. Well, not exactly, but I know what's happening.
Because the padding?
Nope.
No, not padding. Okay.
So, if you go back to the thing and close and open the binder. This motherfucker's too busy messaging on Discord.
No, I'm not.
Supposed to be streaming. So what's actually happening is there is text surrounding the label to colorize it,
Yeah.
and I believe it's getting that size.
Yeah.
Without... I don't. I'll have to parse out.
I love how the
doing
page
label
turning
sizing.
looks.
Yeah, it's very funny. Yeah. Yeah, the issue is the smart label is not taking into account the fact that the BB code is not actually part of the string. That should actually be like pretty easy to deal with, I think.
Hopefully.
Because I don't think I can get like a BB code from this, right?
Yeah.
There's not like a BB code class. Parse BB code. What the fuck does that do? Assignment version of a pin text clears the tag stack and inserts new content. Okay, yeah. Can I get like raw string? This returns the entire thing with BB code, correct? What the fuck is this? Oh, that's fun. What the hell? That's actually so fun. There's so many methods in Godot that are just weird, but like they're really cool. You can pass in a
Yeah.
size, which is a number of bytes, and it will return out like if you pass it 1024, it'll return 1 kilobyte as like the thing. That's fun. I don't know why the fuck you would, but that's really cool. Text.length is actually the one I wanted. So I think this will be a problem. So, right, so if I were to go to what else gets colorized? That is a stat label. Actually, I don't think there's been anything that's been colorized that's a stat label yet. Or smart label, sorry. What's the stat? What's the thing called in the binder that you're editing that's like got the bar of things with the text on it? What's the scene called?
Oh, which one? Sorry, I was trying to think.
So in the binder,
Yeah.
in the binder, there's these bars. What are these called again? These scenes.
Oh, those are binder stat bar.
All right, thank you. Yeah. Path. It would be really smart if I actually like made this show who you are. Text comma text dot length I think would maybe be a little bit more usable. Yeah. So this would be let's code here. Wait, what? Am I... Oh, I'm editing the wrong thing. Well, that shouldn't matter, actually.
Why does this not work here? I'm confused.
Huh? I was wondering.
The way you're getting the stat affinity in the bar is different than here. So here it's saying stat affinity is equal to getter create component stat class base as base stat. But here it's getting a stat affinity and then...
Because the one at the bottom is your affinity count, and the other one is your raw stat amount.
Oh, right. Oh,
yeah, so that one is looking for the stat affinity class has your like actual affinities for the stat, and the other one is just like how much fire stat you have.
This should be damage, but whatever. I don't like it. Them both being affinity, that confuses me.
I could put a note for it. Make a ticket.
How do I? No, I don't wanna.
Jira.
No.
What are you trying to do?
I want to get the color of the stat, but I don't know where the heck I get that in this case here.
A stat affinity.
Because here it's in the base stat, but it's not.
What is the? Hold on. What does this code look like normally? I just literally.
It's exactly the same as this, just minus the colorized string.
The stat class thing right here should have there's a stat class thing. You can this.
The what?
So what are you trying to? Where's the other one? How are you getting it for the other one? Can you show me? The color.
Here. I'm just saying stat affinity. I get stat color because it's a base stat, which has it on there.
So yeah, so the problem is that that actually isn't from the stat instance. That's like a static method on the base stat class. So you can actually call it on stat class. So yeah, stat class dot get base or get color or whatever the fuck it is. It's not gonna show you what it is. because it's a G script object, but it belongs to
Good
the
stack color,
class.
okay. Maybe that'll work.
Which we would usually just wrap that in like a if has method or whatever.
Nah.
Or said, nah, I don't care. So yeah, this definitely has the wrong number of length.
I should put a toggle bitty vision button on my stream deck.
Probably. How many? What? It's not-
What am I doing? Why am I opening the debug menu? Hey, it has colors now. It's still wide,
Yeah.
but it has colors.
Yeah, it's gonna be wide. Printing out, and where am I printing it out at? Text, comma, text on length. Oh, really? Wait, that's actually so cool. This doesn't re-render the text if it doesn't actually change. Wait, so if I do this and then change pages, it will re-render the text, which means that I see this here. But if I flip back and forth, I don't see this again. But if I were to change this to gold, it will actually log it again. That's fucking sick. Okay, that's cool. So yeah, this says it's length 25, which is wrong as fuck.
Yeah.
Which means I need to go to smart label. And I need to find a way to get the length of a string without the BB code enabled. Any chance that you have a method that just gets me something better? Or well, no, because this needs like the actual string, huh? I guess I could do, I could just do regex, right? Group from string. Does this need to use the same shit as like JavaScript, or is this like... Can I use like actual regex written by people? I totally fucking can, alright. So I definitely want brackets. I want dot star? Is it dot star or is it dot plus? Plus versus...
This game's kind of fire, I'm not gonna lie.
What is? Oh. Why is the number hitting like thousands?
Because I have spicy noodles, which is on crit, it sets it on fire. So every single time these swords are hitting, it's critting, which is setting it on fire, which increases its fire stats by like 5 billion, which creates another sword, which then hits it, which crits it, which does another billion fire.
I see.
It's...
Yeah.
I love this game. I just add one item and it instantly becomes very cool. Obviously, this... Actually, I wouldn't say this is unrealistic, but hopefully it's unrealistic. But anyways, it's fun. Let's go play a run with this build and see how it goes. Oh wait, it's not gonna save, isn't it?
Go get...
Need to get my items.
Text without
Here, we'll
code.
do...
I do that, please.
Do 5 of each, just to be like reasonable, you know. Also, I'm gonna turn the base crit chance way down. It should be maybe like 5%, if even that.
Okay.
Maybe I'll just make it 0.
Oh my god, Godot, you're my fucking beloved. There's literally a function that does this for me. It's called get parsed text. Holy shit. Holy shit. Get
Okay, the swords are
text.
kind of sick.
What the fuck? Why is there line wrapping in
why
the
did
Godot
my
editor now?
camera go flying like that?
How do I get rid of this? How do I...
I think my crit chance is still like basically 100. Oh, it's not quite 100. Hold up. Oh, and everything explodes now. Okay.
Why is my line wrapping? How do I...
Here, let's turn off infinite mana.
How do I turn this off?
Let me turn my quality down because I'm lagging like crazy.
Alt Z toggles word wrapping? What? What a very weird thing to have on a very easy to hit shortcut. That's bizarre. Alt Z is word wrap. Ew.
Hey, why is my game lagging so much right now? Let me check my FPS. So here, FPS. Okay, it says I'm at 70 FPS, but on my screen it's like super jittery, and I don't know why. Like it's very stuttery.
Have you turned on VSync?
Oh yeah, it might not be on you, right?
It also could be. I also
testing.
noticed that when I was streaming on Windows mainly. When I was streaming, regardless of what the frame rate looked like, it felt way slower on my main monitor.
Okay. Yeah, it definitely seems to be like that. Let me see if I put it on my other monitor if like I notice a difference. Oop.
What am I?
Oh yeah, that's way smoother. What the heck?
Yeah, I think it's a thing with Windows.
I hate Windows, dog.
Yeah, real.
I hate Windows, woof woof. Anyways,
Alright, do me a favor.
yeah.
Open code.
No, I want to play my game.
Control P smart label.gd. Scroll down to the finished rendering function or whatever the fuck it's called.
Data outline.
It's crazy that you just skipped past the entire function in one like just mouse movement. It's called on
Well,
finish.
it's because I'm using the thing on the side because my mouse movement is like
Yeah.
terrible. The mouse
Line
scroll wheel thing is
line
broken.
97 versus text. Change that to get parsed text.
Parsed. There we go. I can spell.
Yep. Save it, and then whenever you reopen the binder, it should hopefully. You'll have to update that, so you may want to restart the game. But
It's fine. But I want to play my game.
Once the text updates. Oh well, yeah. Once the text has something different to render, it'll fix it. Let me also fix. Why is this tooltip thing not working? Oh, duh.
Uh-oh.
I'm super
Uh-oh. Why are there enemies in here?
Oh yeah.
What is this?
That room is not supposed to be an enemy room. Oopsies.
Isn't it like not supposed to be a room in general? Yeah.
It's in the folder. So like.
Yeah, but it
No.
shouldn't just like show up randomly.
Yeah. It definitely shouldn't.
It
but-
should show up like after you finish the boss, like a normal exit room. Can you
what am I
get out of here?
If you're good
Horrible
enough, yeah.
level design. Oh wait, I double jumped.
Yeah, you have to have double jump.
You have to
Well,
have
you also
double
just
jump.
teleporters, but you know.
Yeah, except that, look at the map. Where am I supposed to go? Also, check out these swords.
Yeah, they look sick.
Wait, why was there a... Oh, did it spawn a ghoul? Oh, I forgot, because I have poison now. It'll spawn ghouls.
Poison. You don't
Doom,
know,
whatever
you
it's
got
called,
Doom.
yeah. This game is...
What am I doing?
The
Oh
more
my God, I
stuff we're
can't-
adding here, I'm realizing that we should probably either nerf some things or like add some more enemies. Because it's like,
Yeah.
things stack up quickly. It's like, oh, you have swords that spawn ghouls that spawn that set things
I mean,
on fire.
ideally, you wouldn't be getting all of those things in one floor.
Yeah.
What am I doing, dude?
I guess you
Hold on.
right.
I was trying to...
Holy.
Okay, tooltips. I was trying to do something with tooltips, but I keep getting distracted because you show me things that are broken or
Yeah.
whatever.
Okay, maybe Garrett was right. Maybe this will be more unreadable than Deadlock.
Check this out, JW.
Hold up, I'm playing my
Whoa.
game. Let's see, what am I looking at? Ooh. Yeah, something like that, but
Yeah, I definitely don't want it to flicker whenever you do it.
yeah,
But,
and yeah, I'll figure it out how to make it nice. I'll probably use some like pixel art mockups or something, but I want it to definitely be a lot fancier.
Yeah. Alright, let me fix this stupid ass fucking tooltip thing that's been bothering me for like the entirety of forever.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. So the tooltip issue can be seen if I do this. So they are off center. What I think I need to do is, I thought there was something I could do with canvas scaling or canvas transform. I might be able to. I'm gonna try that. If that doesn't work, I've got some other things that I could do that are better. So it would be under box.gd. Do you have a reference to a transform here? We do. So let's put this bitch on screen and of others so that I can test this out while I'm coding. So let's just say that I don't do this. Where does this end up going? Wrong spot for sure. But not. Okay, hold on. Can I not just like...
I feel like the whatever next playtest we have is going to go crazy.
It might, yeah.
It might.
It might do.
There's also a lot of stuff that like absolutely sucks, but like there's a lot of cool stuff.
Okay, so give before transform is not what I want. I want it canvas transform? Sure isn't. It's viewport. Rect, perhaps? That's definitely not right. What the hell? What do you mean you think that you're in a 1920 by 1080 viewport? This is definitely not... Oh, wait. No, I know why you think you're... Because you are. In your mind, you are in that rectangle.
Let's see however... the boss. Actually, I'm curious how the boss is going to work with the swords. This might be really funny. This might just like insta-kill him.
It might.
It'd
be kind of funny.
I got rid of the infinite sword, so oop, I hit the wrong button. Oop, I missed. Oh no, it spawns this.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the boss is messed up. I was like, oh, it's gonna spawn it where the hitbox is, and it's gonna like.
No, which
it shouldn't do that, shouldn't it? I thought I was supposed to spawn it out where the hitbox is. Oh no, it spawns it out where the target is, which is technically the entire boss, not just the hitbox.
Yeah.
Yeah, the boss needs a little bit of work.
Yeah, I want to remake it and make this.
Yeah, I also want to. I wasn't sure how I wanted to display his status effects, but they should just show up like underneath his bar as to what status effects he has.
Yeah.
Yeah,
that's true.
I got that one from
Warframe. Should. No, never mind. I don't want to do it even if it's the correct thing because of Warframe.
I need to add some more VFX to the swords, but they're cool. Let's loop it. Let's loop it, guys. I'm having too much fun. I really like the new flying guys as well. At first I was like, I wasn't sure, but they're nice. I think they're better than the old ones. Did you see them?
Have you pushed them up yet?
No, I haven't.
We should do that somewhat soon so that I can make sure that the enemy rewrite stuff doesn't need to do any weird merge stuff with it. Hopefully it shouldn't. It almost certainly shouldn't.
Yeah. I gotta give them some like little bug noises as they fly around.
Yeah.
The beam one's also good.
It's actually crazy how much like more correct they feel being bugs without changing the movement at all.
Oh yes. Wait, what do you mean? Oh yeah.
Like it feels more correct than like the bat that kind of just like flaps up and down.
Yeah. I think the little like tilt side to side just magically makes everything look better.
Dude, whenever the salmon got the fucking the tilt whenever they were moving. That was like game changing.
Yeah.
Sorry, what were you gonna say?
I really want to make all the enemies like squish when they get hit, like Safiria does, or they like do a little squish. I forgot on the beam enemies. So I moved the attack to be underneath the visuals so that way it flips because it's not centered. But for some reason, inside of this, it handles the where is it? The knockback when they shoot. If movement, add knockback force. But for some reason, the movement component just isn't getting set, and it's only if it's it's only if it's here. It's not if I put it back to where it was, like as a just.
So hold on. So what is it? Can you run it through me again? Run me through it again. Let me go to the code, and I'll take it as well.
Actually, I don't think it's there because that was the weird thing that happened when the commits were weird, because I had my change which had the knockback and some other stuff, but I broke a bunch of stuff, so I just took your changes, then I was like, I'll re-add the knockback in later, and then I forgot to do that until like yesterday, and then I re-added it, and then it was broken.
I see.
So essentially,
so you were talking about the movement component.
I just need the movement component to get grabbed. So on ready here, this is the attack, this is the flying beam attack that's on the here. I await owner dot is ready, and then movement is equal to util get component owner movement driver.
Oh yeah. So this is flying fire beam.
Yeah.
So the reason you're doing it. Oh wait, no. If not, owner is node ready. Wait, owner ready. Owner movement driver. So that's not being set. Do put a breakpoint on line 54.
Line 54. Okay. Breakpoint, yeah. So it is like the owner is correct, but it just doesn't get the movement.
Yeah. So go ahead and spawn one of those tickets then.
Yeah. Is this the? That's not the right thing.
So if you now, so hover over owner.
Here?
Literally anywhere that said owner and throw into the only thing that's in it. Oh, it's not going to show you owner there. Well, if you go to the output window in the debugger down there, or I guess not in the debugger, sorry. So flying fire projectile enemy is that? Oh yeah, their name's fucked up is what it is.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. So that doesn't mean it's got the correct owner. So if you go back to the debugger, there's the variable called enemy right there. So if you click on that, that should be the same guy. If you were to scroll down and take a look at their metadata, do they have the movement component on them? They sure don't. I believe that's something that I have fixed. I believe.
Is it because this is lower than the?
Yes.
Is it the ordering?
That is something that I have fixed.
Yeah, that makes sense now. I was so confused. I was like, why would moving it? Because I also tried changing it because I think originally this was enemy, and I thought that maybe it was grabbing like the parent as the enemy instead of the owner. So I just changed it to straight up owner. But I see it's because the loading order. Movement driver.
I can actually tell you what I did different. Yeah. So just control for movement driver.
Okay.
So if you see down there on line 23, it says if not ready, await ready.
Yeah.
And then below that, it's setting the movement driver as the component.
So should I just move
I
that
actually changed it. Yeah, so I changed it so it adds itself first and then it awaits owner ready. Because it doesn't actually need to do that until... What are you... Hold on. Before you just go pasting code and assuming it's correct, let's read the code where you pasted it and think about what we did.
No, I don't want to...
Redo it.
Oh, I see, yeah.
You pasted it above the lines where it's getting the owner.
Yeah, you're right, yeah.
Or where it's getting the
whatever. So it should go like here.
So just above the is node ready, yeah.
Okay.
Which
now
just,
it should work.
Yeah, I mean, you can commit that if you want.
Is there a way to get rid of the breakpoint?
Yeah, you can get rid of the breakpoint. Go back, click on the stack frames thing on the bottom left. You can just click on the first stack frame to get back, and then you can remove the breakpoint and hit continue.
Okay. Where's my mouse? Oh, it just doesn't have the custom cursor for some reason.
Yeah, tab out and back.
Yeah.
Sorry, is something happening that's not supposed to be, or is it?
Yeah, it's getting the movement, but now it's just not. It's not doing the knockback.
Lol.
It should be.
It's probably
Add
because that
knockback
move.
force.
Does that movement driver have the?
No, because the thing is
handling of
this 100% worked if it was like down here. Like if it was just in a different place in the tree. It's just that I moved it and it was like, let me just restart it. Let's see what's the problem.
Sure. Yeah.
Ooh, my shop
Insane
has
title,
Hobbit
drool emoji and
pre-orders
everything.
open.
Well, because of someone in my chat was like, this would be a funny title, and I was like, you know what, you're right. And now that's the title. Nothing I can do about it. Talk to the chat. They're the one that the community's everything or whatever. We're a family or something. I didn't print this while I was paying attention to it, did I? What's it?
Wait, what is Biddy's stream title?
Technically 0.
Oh.
Nice. It's kind of cool. I don't know how you did that one. That's kind of cool.
I don't know either. Okay, let's try that again.
My title is deving my game till I release drool emoji, I think.
Yeah, I forgot about that one.
Yeah. I did it. I fixed it.
Yay!
I figured it out.
Hooray!
Probably,
Hooray!
eventually. You're weird. Let's make sure that this works with the card drop before I say that this is fixed.
Okay, let's see. Can I like
It
start
may
the
not
game
work.
this time?
Ooh, this crashed. That's kind of cool.
What did I do?
There's
What
an
did I
infinite loop
do?
somewhere that's happening, and I don't know what you did.
I didn't even change anything.
I mean, there was the change to the movement driver
Well, there
that I
wasn't.
assume is not.
Oh yeah, there was.
Can you go back to the movement driver, actually? I'm curious what your code looks like different than mine. Oh, yeah, that makes sense. So, what movement driver does is it tries to get the previous driver. The problem is you've now separated the logic. So it is adding
so
itself
this
as the
one should
movement
be
driver.
up as well. Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, so it should be
Yeah, there we go,
basically
we're
everything
good.
in there that the order should
Yeah,
be
we're
this,
good.
where it's previous driver, add self active, the if check for the previous driver, and then everything except for the health component creation should be above the ready. I'm gonna lose my fucking shit if I have to look at you do this line by line ever again.
That was it, right?
Sorry guys, I need to emulate what JW just did because it makes me so fucking sick. He needed to move these lines below these two, or like above these two. So he went, okay. Okay, now that's already like insane behavior. This, he went.
Don't worry about it.
With about this many like tab and untabs. Dog,
There we go. Now they're working.
can I show you something really cool? Just like something.
Don't they
really,
look so
really
nice
cool.
now?
No, that's so sick, dude. Check this out. Look at this. If you need to move these two lines, you can hold Alt and use your arrow keys to move it up and down.
Wait, why are some of their indicators behind them? Like this one.
It may be spawn order stuff, to be honest.
Interesting. That's thing should probably fix.
Yeah.
Cause like. Yeah, that one's behind. That's weird. Yeah, there's like one of them that it isn't, and then the rest are all.
Because it's possible that the enemy was added and then the indicator was created afterwards. So the order in the tree is enemy, then indicator, and then enemy, 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 so on. And so it's showing in front of specifically that one enemy.
Yeah. Maybe. Yeah, I mean, I think in general the indicators should probably just show like in front of literally everything. I'm not sure why they're not.
You think it should be in front of everything?
Probably.
Yeah.
I mean, it's like the same as like the attacks. Pretty much all the attacks should show in front of everything. Also, why do these guys like not have any avoidance? Do they not have avoidance? But they did.
They do not.
No. They probably should.
But they have something, but it's not. Oh my god, dude, you just got fucking obliterated.
Yeah, a little bit. But anyways, yeah, those guys are really cool.
Yeah, they don't have avoidance because they don't move like regular enemies. Regular enemies that move throughout the air will have like the constant velocity that gets like kind of updated by the nav, so you kind of like adjust it. But those guys choose a direction and then they just move.
Yeah, for sure.
For sure.
Wait, Germa's streaming.
True.
Wait, Germa's a streamer?
They should add Germa to Rivals of Aether 2.
They should add Northern Lion to Rivals of Aether 2.
That's true. More like Rivals of Aether.
If they added a Northern Lion skin, what character would it be for? We need a gooey Northern Lion skin.
Ew, you're so fucking bizarre. That's weird. I don't like that.
It's just his bald head. That's the entire character.
It's just yeah, Northern Lion
head
bald
with
head.
like little legs.
And the headphones, don't forget.
And the headphones, yeah.
Wait a minute. 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 Wait a minute.
But
I'm just gonna. I don't have to say anything. I'm just going to pull up a GIF, and I think that the point will get across.
I think I know which gift it's going to be. Oh.
It's just the bald head. We could make that Northern Lion though.
We could, you're right. But it's
Wait.
not gooey.
Wait a minute. Okay, gang. Who knows how to 3D model in the style of Super Smash Bros. Melee and can make a mod that replaces Kirby's model with Northern Lion with headphones?
Hold up. No, like genuinely that would make so much money.
The one that would make a lot of money is probably doing that but with Jigglypuff, but yeah.
Yeah.
Because Jigglypuff's like actually played in Melee.
Yeah.
Kirby's cool, but it's like the second worst character in the game by like a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Do you know who the worst character in the game of Smash Brothers Melee is?
Is it Bowser?
Why the fuck do you know that?
I don't know. I'm just goated like that.
Why the fuck do you know that? JW's secret passive is actually just like getting references to games and shit that he knows nothing about.
No,
except,
genuinely,
he
unironically.
sometimes gets the right answer. He sometimes makes a reference to it. He'll be like, secret shop like Dota? And it's like, what? Like, oh yeah, dude. Oh, Tango? I'm about to go eat a tree in Dota or some shit. And it's like, what are you talking? How do you know that? It's fucking weird.
It's so
is what it is.
fun.
It's so weird. Get some view parts. Get view part. Console.print viewport and parent viewport. Can I see if these are the same thing? Did he say that? He didn't say exactly that, but he has said things about the secret shop before, and I don't fucking know how or why.
There was another thing. I forget what it was though.
Yeah, no, he just does shit sometimes where he just like accidentally gets the
It's not
correct
accidentally.
reference
I'm
and it
like
makes no
I'm
sense.
really smart. I'm like incredibly smart actually.
Dude, I hate my cat.
Yeah, me too.
I set a cat bed up for her. Like for months. It sat there unused. And then I was moving some fucking cords around and I just like tossed them to the side onto the fucking cat bed. and now she wants to lay on the cat bed. And then she's like, man, I guess I can't lay here. She's like, I can't lay on the cat bed. There's cords on it now. And it's like, you had one chance of checking it out. And like, I couldn't walk over there and pull the cords away to like open up the cat bed, because then she'd be like, oh shit, I'm not supposed to be here. Fuck. And then she would take that as like, I should never be on this cat bed ever again. The weirdest thing is, I've had this cat bed for 3 fucking years, and she has randomly used it throughout those 3 years. I think I had it in Wisconsin. When I was in Wisconsin, that was, oh god, that was not 3 years. I've had it for like 5 years then. I'm pretty sure I had it in Wisconsin, and she used it while I was in Wisconsin. Like a lot, because it was cold as fuck there. But then like, she kind of like forgot how to use it between now and then, and every now and then she'll try to use it, and it's like, you motherfucker. These are 2 different things. If I spawn in the card, are these the same viewport? They should be. They sure fucking are. Okay, nice. So I can do something that's like, if get viewport does not equal that. So if these are not from the same viewport, then we'll do some shit. And that shit is Bubble transform part of a canvas item? Sure fucking is. Something like this, perhaps? Methinks. Yeah, no, you get me, Mr. Gamersby. Cats are like stupid. They're so dumb. I love her so much, but she's so stupid sometimes.
Yeah.
She's actually like surprisingly smart a lot of time though, which is weird. This is making me angry. I'm thinking if I... Wait, these aren't rotating. Why the fuck aren't these rotating? Wait, JW, why aren't these rotating?
Why aren't these rotating?
Why aren't these rotating?
What do you mean, why aren't they rotating?
Why are they not rotating? Do they rotate on your side?
Which menu?
Any of the deck pages.
Oh, does it just not on any of them?
It may have been a change that I made today. I wouldn't.
Yeah, bro is
that
just
out of the realm of
changing random
possibility.
stuff.
Yeah.
It's only 8 o'clock. I feel like we've been working for like forever. We're just locked in like that, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I've been
Okay,
rotating them.
then it's definitely a change that I did today.
Oh wait, hold up. Not in this menu.
Oh, then if you go back, did they rotate again?
Yeah.
They do?
Yeah, it's just this menu doesn't rotate.
I don't know why actually.
Also, and the colors here work. I need to change the colors to actually be the right colors, but
Uh-oh.
that definitely makes it more clear that it's like these are all related. Before it was just like kind of random numbers down here.
Yeah. Igniting my woods right now. So fucking true. The music of this game is so good. Rest in peace. Are you throwing up? No, you're not. Okay, I thought she was throwing up.
I threw up.
Sometimes I have to take the food away from Callie because I know better than she does whether or not she's gonna throw up if she keeps eating. She's like really fucking stupid.
Yeah.
That's not true. She's just like anxious, I think. She has really, really, really bad anxiety. But like same, so. Description card. Why is it you? Are you the problem? Mouse input. Mouse pause. Target ratio. What? Bus? Valid or mouse input? If controller valid or keyboard valid. If mouse input. Get local mouse position. What? Handle rotation. Is hovered is part of the card. Is hovered is only set as part of nothing. On mouse entered. Did I just remove this? I think I just removed this code like literally earlier today. Is there something about focus in here? Sure is.
Ah, wow.
Yeah, pretty much. Okay, if I like, oh no, I can't do that. Whatever. Description card. Yep, right here. Can I see this change? Yeah, it's just these two. Cool. I'll bring this back for now. And then I'll figure it out. Your cat's really old and very jumpy. She isn't able to eat faster food. Oh, tastier food. Sorry. Than the blandest of bland cat food, or else she'll throw up, which is really sad. So my cat is 13, which is pretty old for a cat. Not like really old, but she's actually had this throwing up problem since like ever, like literally as long as I can remember this cat, which I had her like a week after she was born or some shit. She just has a problem where she'll just eat too much in a small amount of time and just throw it back up. And I think it's because she gets like anxious that she won't be able to eat it. And so she'll like eat some and then be like, okay, well, I want to make sure that I'm like, you know, I'm not going to starve if I can't get back to the food in time at some point. So she eats a little bit more and then she throws up just immediately. Oh, that's fun. I see something cool. I changed. I forgot that was a thing. I forgot I was playing around with snapping. Look at this GW. Dante just instantly snaps down to the ground.
Why does he do that?
It's because I was fucking with something, trying to get the button stuff to work in a way that wasn't terrible, which isn't.
Wonder, can I just like? Oh, I can't just spawn one of these and look at that. Sword.
The game is not shipping for that. Well, that's good that it's not like crashing.
Yeah.
It's like the ideal right there.
Yeah, the like little swipe could use a little work. I just reused an old one that I had lying around. So that's kind of bad. It doesn't work if you try to hit things with it, but that makes sense.
What? Oh, what's this?
Here, actually, I need to run this on my second monitor so I can like see what it looks like at full frame rate. Make sure it doesn't look terrible.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks okay. I could adjust the VFX some, but overall it looks pretty good. But yeah, here it's just unreadable.
World. Oh. Oh, okay.
I just realized, why is
that existence?
Look at the train. Why is it like jittering like that? Can you see that or no?
Yeah, it's because of the position of the camera and the node. It's probably just like the
camera position
trying to like
isn't
figure out
making
where
any
the
difference
pixels should
though.
be. Well, you've got your render scale set to lower than like regular amount, so it has to like figure out which pixels should be on. So like as it like stretches and moves and shit, it like jitters a little bit.
Yeah, it's just weird
Like-
because it only moves like up and down, but it's like, or it might be that it might be like in between 2 pixels or something. Like the positioning might be off. 'Cause it's probably
Yeah,
not
it's
snapped
probably
to a
that.
pixel because I probably just dumped it wherever and called it a day.
You hella didn't actually. What the fuck? Weird. Oh, actually, hold up. I didn't check the actual train. Like this. -96.
Do we think we should make the sword only be from physical attacks?
Probably.
This is a little ridiculous. Not that we want to like fast attacking physical attacks, but yeah, as I said, I definitely think crit chance should be lower because, like, for example, this is like 50% crit chance and I'm getting like 5 billion damage. Let me just see, like, actually, I'm gonna need to spawn in a new one. I mean, I guess I have the fire, so like it won't be as accurate, but settings. Yeah, it's like 200 DPS.
What the fuck is? Wait, what? Sorry, what am I looking at, JW?
I don't know.
Why is there a front of the train? Is it so it can be like animated differently, or?
What? Yes, because it's just layering.
Okay, I was just like looking because also this is a
Like,
weird one.
look at the wheels and stuff. The front part has to be in front of the wheels. See?
I see. Yeah, that's fair. But yeah, the size on this is different than the thing. It's also at 10.5 on the Y, which is fun. It's probably just some things that are like on odd pixels. I believe it is. Yeah, I think it's fine. Also, I'm looking at the Y position of this wheel. Why is the Y position of this wheel at 12.552?
I don't know.
I should write like a script that just goes through the entirety of our scene collections and looks for anything that's on like less, like that has more precision than like a tenth of a pixel or like half of a pixel. Maybe that's the next verification thing, the next validation script. At least they're like consistent with each other.
I'm having too much fun.
Yeah,
messing around.
sure. Okay. That's right.
Oh, I spawn with a shotgun because it spawns like 10 of them at once because each pellet has an individual chance to crit.
Why did that crash? Oh.
I'm still on video vision. Sorry. I think we can make this less readable than Deadlock.
Good luck, Duo Gamer B.
We got this.
Best promotion? Get the fuck out of here. I don't need promotion. I still gotta get fucking merits for my Cellbot suit, you dickhead.
What?
It's a Toontown reference, don't even worry about it.
Oh, okay, I see. I love Toontown.
Yeah.
I'm a big Toontown
That's
fan.
not true. That's not true. I don't know why this isn't getting mouse input.
What is this? How does Salmon Storm do with this? Let's see.
Terrible.
Salmon Storm is like getting power creeped out of existence right now.
Yeah, that's okay. When did we get the League stream? Hopefully fucking never. God, I hope never. Oh my god.
This is beautiful.
Fuck you for even bringing that up, Moaz. That's disgusting. Jack, can we kill this thing?
I'm having fun right now.
Are you?
Yeah.
Why?
Because. Hold up, I gotta add bells. I just want to see how many things can I spawn everywhere. Where's the bells? Where's the bells? Oh, bells only, or no, is bell on crit or is it on hit? I don't remember. Or on kill.
I think it's just a chance, right?
Maybe. Yeah. Ah, now it's on kill. Won't do anything. Sad.
I mean, you can just spawn it, but
We'll spawn a bunch of blind guys.
Whoa.
Going pretty well.
Sorry, what does the tooltip for Bell say again? On kill 20%.
Yeah. Nope, we're currently at 1,000 DPS. It's not high enough. Hold up. We need more items. We got salmon. Give us a charm. Yeah, we need more cool synergy items. I think these are cool.
Why did it turn into an emoji? That's just the default emoji on Twitch. I don't know. That's like how Twitch emojis work, is you just like send the text that is the emoji and then it replaces it. It's a little weird, but yeah, like this is getting mouse input, but it's not like mouse ratio is this visual mouse offset is this thing update rotation card rotation plus mouse offset times mouse influence. Because the mouse influence is currently set to fucking 0. Is that the problem? Nope. Mouse influence is 1.
There we go. Uh-oh. Oh yeah, I forgot the bells have like issues sometimes.
What? Hold on, something is wrong. Someone is calling this that shouldn't be calling it. Cardvisual.gd underscore process display card process. This doesn't need to be calling this at all, actually. What the fuck? Oh my god. I've been calling this way too much. Oh no. That's bad. Kinda. It's still not doing what I want it to, but it's definitely been calling it way too much. Console.print something. Target ratio. Let me get rid of this print really quickly. I'm curious if that makes any notable difference on performance. Also, my cat is 13. Your cat's 15.
Unk alert, unk alert.
Yeah, pretty much. The stream might lag a little bit for a moment because I'm gonna try to uncap my FPS so that it... There's no way I only get 150 FPS right now. That's crazy.
Horribly unoptimized game.
I'm also streaming and watching a Discord stream and streaming on Discord.
Yeah.
There's lots of places that are eating my GPU right now that probably shouldn't be.
Yeah.
Actually, this also doesn't need to do this in the slightest, right? Like, let's say I were to do this and turn on the FPS monitor here, and I'm gonna go to this page and I'm just gonna let this like sit for a little bit. I'm getting about 96 FPS. If I let this just go back to regular, does this drop? Huh. Interesting. I'm not really like noticing a huge difference. I wonder what where the bottleneck ends up being. Very interesting that this isn't like much slower because of that function doing things. Make sure it is action pressed. If I'm holding debug 1, I just want it to return from the function. So sitting right here, it's at 96 FPS if I hold Q. No, not really a difference, to be honest. That's hella surprising. Because there is, this function is being called way too much. I think if I do console.print. This is called like hella often. Which is a problem. I'll just I'll comment this for now, but why are we not getting rotation? Oh, just another thing in chat. Let's say string consultation. No, the name is like consoling something. Oh my god, 2 in 1. What
Holy
the fuck?
double kill.
What the hell? I really don't... I mean, obviously it must work because motherfuckers are advertising, or maybe that's why they're advertising is because it's not working, but like, I don't know anyone who would be like, yeah, dude, I can't wait to go look at Stream Boo to get fucking viewers.
Also, Biddy, yeah, we should make like the second and third levels a lot harder. We can make the first one like super easy and then the rest really hard, so that way we actually have something to test our crazy items against. Also, I feel like that'll be more fun for playtesters, so it's like, oh, the first one's like easy peasy, but it's actually a challenge once you get past the first one.
Yeah, the first one's easy peasy, the second motherfucker, lemon squeezy. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It's that Counter-Strike type shit.
Yeah. Oh. Bell got hit around so much that it got smashed into the floor.
Fire.
It's kind of fire.
Update rotation. This should only be getting called like as the mouse goes over it. Uh-oh. What are you talking about? Who the fuck is calling you? And who are you? Self. Visual of knife?
What the heck did I just get hit by?
What the fuck?
Just get hit by the mystery attack. Nobody knows where it came from.
Okay, so update rotation is not being called. That's a problem. Description, card, GP, or it's card holder, display card holder. Handle rotation. If not visual or not visible in tree. Okay, yeah. But you are
I
visible
wonder if
in
the
trees.
goblins still work. The goblins probably still work, just not very well. They need some work.
Is it still printing? Sure fucking is. Why? You shouldn't. Card is hovered. Is hovered is set to apparently. Good luck, Mr. Gamers P. We are not using any object pooling for anything. To answer your question, we don't really do any pooling stuff unless we need to. The only place currently that has any sort of like caching or pooling or anything is the level generation. Just because I felt that ended up like being very impactful, but Godot actually ends up being very, very good whenever it comes to creating and destroying a bunch of things over time. So you don't need to object pool, and oftentimes you won't really see a huge difference if you see any difference at all with object pooling in Godot. The only place that I think if you wanted to do something like object pooling, you'd probably want to use one of the lower level servers like rendering server or physics server and pool out of that. But like in terms of just like nodes and things, you don't really get a whole lot out of it, fortunately or unfortunately. Is hovered is not being updated, which is very, very weird. Because you definitely should.
I just thought of a really interesting card idea that I don't know if it would be good, but it's an interesting idea. Is a card that summons like a training dummy that has like 1 billion health and just acts as like a sponge that you can trigger like on hits off of. So like if you have a bunch of items that are like on hit spawn this thing, you could just drop one of those and then like shoot it as much as humanly possible and it spawns a bunch of things off of it.
It's kind of fire.
I feel like it could be kind of niche, but maybe it could be like a junk card that you can get from somewhere special that like seems kind of useless but like does have that niche use. Why do you guys don't stream on Twitch as well? We do. We are both live on Twitch right now.
Yeah.
And no, we do not get more viewers there.
I mean,
Actually,
I definitely
think
get more on YouTube just because
I might sometimes get more viewers there, but it's usually
I definitely
like...
get more on YouTube because of the people who are like, oh, I'm gonna check out this tutorial and then happen to see them live. But
I'd say it's about even. It's like one's terrible, the other one's like bad, you know?
yeah.
Okay, I'm having too much fun playing my own game. What's something I can work on? I'm getting hungry. It's almost magic time. It's almost time to play magic.
We're playing Magic tonight. What's this error? Okay. We're gonna do Magic? I don't know, maybe. Let's see.
I don't understand. I don't get it. You are obviously getting hovered. You are not being updated to not hovered anymore. But what the hell?
Hmm?
You need to call Moaz out now. You can't be letting words like that be thrown around in chat willy-nilly.
Hmm? I'm gonna make
Moaz
my mono
said-
blue deck. Okay, we're killing you.
No.
can't.
Moaz did not say mono blue. Moaz
Mono-
said, I'm gonna make my monocolor blue deck real quick. What are we talking
Oh, that's your
about?
Twitch. Okay, wonderful. Welcome to Twitch chat.
Monocolor blue deck.
I might also
Moaz-
end stream soon because I need to grab a snack and get my dog before we
Moaz
play
is
Magic.
laughing in chat. Let me relimit my FPS actually before the shit fucking dies.
I am getting a little hungry though.
Monocolor blue. Sorry, I can't get over the monocolor blue.
My deck is going to be horrible, by the way. Just a warning, but it'll probably be funny because it'll be very bad.
Timber chud type shit.
Pretty much. I didn't just pick like random cards off EDH rec, but I don't exactly know what I was doing when I built it. I picked some cards from there. I started with an idea and came out with nothing.
What the fuck?
You good if I go grab snack and
Oh my god. I know what's going wrong.
if
Chat,
you are...
can everyone point at the screen and laugh?
Okay,
Everyone
let me
point
see.
at the
Let me
screen
see.
and laugh.
Let's see it. Oop, I messed up something. What am I laughing at?
I don't even know what.
I don't know what I'm laughing at either.
I have set the mode to starts off in inherit, and then we check if it's visible in the tree. And then we set it to disabled, but it's supposed to be if it's not visible in the tree.
Oh. That's kind of funny.
Well, that doesn't seem to really have... Oh, there we go. Look at that. Whoa. This one's not working, though.
Maybe is that one like maybe you coded that one properly and then it like or they're the same thing? Should they be the same thing?
They're the same thing.
That's
They should be
weird.
The same thing, yeah. there's
Maybe
yeah,
they
there's some
aren't
things going
technically
on.
visible or something. There we go. Now it seems to be working. I don't know.
Yeah, it's because this page, I guess, is technically always visible, which is weird because it's the first page, but then this one is actually set to not visible. I think it's an issue with the binder, and I think it's something that just hasn't really come up until
Yeah, I see.
this. But yeah, so now that works. Which means you can do the fun wobbly thing if you have a card and you add the negative sticker to it. Whoa.
Bro did all of that just to flex the negative sticker again.
Yeah. Of course. I'm very proud of it.
Yeah.
But yeah, tooltips are fixed, by the way, on my side. So
Cool.
these are actually where they should be, regardless of the window size.
But you know, that I think about it, it could be cool to make like a generic like parallax shader thing like that. I don't know how easy that would be, but like something that would let you put in like a list of textures and like their depth and have it like auto generate a
Yeah, I mean, is this no? This is not even the right one, is it?
I don't
Where's
know.
the function? There's supposed to be a function here that does. This is an old shader, I think.
Maybe. Yeah, probably.
Oh yeah, here we go.
Yeah, it's not that bad.
Yeah. Where's the? This is where it's doing the fucking motion stuff.
Yeah. But basically you could just
I
like
mean, it would.
you could give it like a
wouldn't be the
mask and
worst
then like the
thing
layers
ever.
and then it would generate whatever.
You would give it a mask.
Yeah. Or no, I guess I would just go on the texture. Never mind, I'm done.
Give it a mask.
Yeah. I don't know how shaders
I mean,
work, but
You should probably like ask it. I mean, because maybe it wants a fem instead of a mask, but I don't know.
yeah.
GW doesn't get this one.
Anyways, it is snack time for me
Oh, it's snack time.
and dog time. So,
Dog time.
woof woof. Sorry. Oh, thank you for the follow, dear bird. It's a good name.
Hold on.
Hmm?
I have to do something really quickly before the stream ends.
No, I'm scared.
You should be. Give me a second. I have to. This is very important information. Hold on. Please hold. Keep holding.
I'm holding.
I had to take a picture of something with my phone.
Oh.
It's very important information you don't understand. So I hit the mute button on my computer. All right. So this creature is so fucking weird. Let me make sure I don't have anything that doxes me in this image. No, I definitely don't. I hope. So I was just talking about how Callie doesn't use the cat bed that I got her.
Mm-hmm.
I recently moved it. I actually moved it onto a shelf thing that I haven't finished putting together, which is where it is currently. And I look over. What the fuck? What? This, by the way, for the last 3 months has been sitting next to my desk, plugged in, because it's a heated cat bed. It's not plugged in currently, and it also doesn't like generate heat unless there's like weight in it. It was like perfectly fine for a cat to lay in. However, now she has decided that it is no longer set up for a cat to lay in. This is her time. This is her time to go lie down in this. Also, there's the computer in the background that my neighbor let me grab. I don't know if I told you, I sliced open my toe on it, which was kind of cool. But yeah, this is my creature. This is my old woman. She's 13 years old, and she is grouchy a lot of the time. But anyways, okay, is that the end of the stream?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Why did this broke again? Whatever. Who fucking cares? Me. I cares. What? What? Huh? What? That works. I can click on these, but they don't. I'm gonna lose my fucking shit, dude. What do you mean? This updates correctly, but this doesn't. When did that break? How did that break? We haven't touched that. Whatever. Anyways. Yeah, I'll try to, or I'll end up pushing the changes to enemies that I made, JW.
Okay.
Did you push your changes, or are you gonna push your changes?
Yeah, sure, I can. Was there anything I was in progress doing? Not really. I'm pushing my changes
It was
right now.
mostly just the flying guy, or any enemy changes that you
Yeah.
have. I haven't rewritten the worm. Let me go to. Oh, fuck, you have the list. I don't even have the list.
I'm
I don't even have the
pushing my
list of enemies that need to get
changes. My
rewritten.
changes are pushed. Good luck.
Yeah, the enemies that haven't been rewritten are the worm, the goober,
The goober. What
the eyeball.
What goober?
Is that
Oh,
it?
right, because you have to remake them with your new
Smells.
enemy stuff. Yeah.
I don't have to like remake them. I just have to like
Yeah.
adapt their movement component and input component stuff.
Yeah.
Since we're basically forgoing the enemy stuff, the enemy info these two, the movement direction and aim direction, are probably not going to be used anymore from enemy info, since this is something that's just taken care of by input drivers.
Okay.
So hooray. Also, the state machine stuff on them is maybe they're, I don't know if they're state machine. Oh yeah, I forgot, they're very weird. Oh god, that's a question.
I have no clue.
If you were to estimate the amount of hours it has taken to get to this point in your game, what would you estimate? That is a very good question. Let me think for a second. So we stream typically, well, we like to stream 3 days a week.
Well, you know what? I can
Usually around
tell
3
you
hours.
exactly like how many.
Yeah.
Because I have stream avatars. Currently just streaming is 400 hours.
Yeah, I
And
think I get more work done on the game off stream.
I
usually,
definitely get more done on stream, but so combined probably the least 1,000 hours. Probably
definitely
more.
over 1,000.
Yeah.
Definitely way over 1,000.
Yeah.
Because there's also like there's days, some days I'll like work off stream for like a nothing. Like I'll be real, like there's quite a few days where I just do nothing on the game off stream. But there's some days where I'll like be like, oh shit, I want to add something, and I'll like spend a few hours adding something to the game or like fixing some things. And then there's other days where I will literally spend like 9 or 10 hours working on the game. Like
Yeah, I don't know how you do that.
train ride up to Boston.
But yeah, no, it's a lot.
Like a trainer up to Boston is definitely working on the game. So definitely like I would say that it's probably somewhere in the ballpark of 1,500 to 2,000 hours. If like I'd say that's a decent estimate.
Yeah.
Total. Well, yeah. I mean, yeah. For us two added together, somewhere around 2,000, I would say. A lot of what we do in the game though, is we rewrite systems or we remake certain things because we get playtesters involved, and then it's like, okay, this sucks. And then we kind of have like different ideas. So, a lot of it is definitely like experimenting, poking around with things, and then remaking something. How
6
much
or
is
7
left?
hours?
Good
Yeah.
question.
I have no clue.
Hopefully not that many.
Yeah.
Because I mean, like right now, one of the things that I'm doing, like I've probably put like 15 to 20 hours into just remaking a couple of enemies, because the system surrounding, or like the setup around those enemies have been like kind of terrible. So I'm not adding any new content, but I'm just like dropping like 20 hours of development on it because it needs to be reworked so that it can be easier to add content later. Like we have a couple of enemies we want to add, or like GW had like I mean, this guy wasn't like a ton of work to add, but like this guy needed to be added, but he is basically the same as...
Yeah, he was not that hard to... The hardest part was getting like the line rendering to cooperate.
Yeah. But like this guy and this guy are effectively the same, except one shoots a beam and one shoots a bullet. And like the amount of time that it took to convert this guy into this guy wasn't a lot, but it was more than it should be, for sure.
Yeah.
So I want to make that easier to do because a lot of these components are reused. As you can see, they're like the exact same except for their weapon is different.
You should have used
basically.
inheritance.
No, probably maybe. But,
I love inheritance. It's my favorite.
but yeah.
Anyways,
So how much is left? I don't know. If we wanted to try to like bang out as much content as possible, it would take less time. But I don't want to hate my life while working in the game. So a lot of things end up being like, I want things to be nice to work with. I want things to be like not as cheese grater on bowls to make. So that's what I've been doing, is focusing on making things actually like easy to edit.
yeah.
But yeah. You said you wanted to end it here.
Yeah, we need to go play Magic.
That's not true.
Okay, anyways, good night, everybody.
Wait, Moaz, what if instead of hopping on Magic, we hop on League and just play League?
No, bad.
That'd be
Bad,
cool, right?
Bad.
Well, then you could go play Warframe with your Warframe
Oh,
friends.
true, you're right. I could. Yeah, I'm fine.
Anyways,
Anyways,
yeah, but we're gonna go ahead and hop off of here. We'll be back on Sunday, at 2:30 p.m. EST, probably.
Yeah, what's Sunday? I don't think I have anything on Sunday now.
Yeah, I'm trying to think of like how far away GodoCon is. It's like a week
It's
and a half.
scary. It's like a week and a half.
It is, yeah, it is a little scary. But yeah, anyways, we will catch you guys then. Thank you guys for hanging out. Thank you guys for stopping by.
Bye-bye.
Wishlist the game on Steam, or don't. Join the Discord and give us feedback, or don't.
You have to
But
do
we
all
will
of
catch you
this.
guys later.
You're getting blown up. Wait, what's this emote? Wait, it's beautiful. I see a cat with a hat.
What's
It's
the
nice.
email? Oh yeah, Arcus Cat.
Anyways,
Anyways,
good night,
Goodbye.
everybody.